Okay, question 19 of exam 3. Now, you're probably not watching this in chronological order. If you are, you've been watching this for quite a while. I've been making these in chronological order, so I'm getting very close to finishing here. So let's get this started. Let's see. So Dave can afford a monthly car payment of $420. How much could he afford? He borrowed at 7.2% compounded monthly for a 4-year loan to buy a car. So we're going to be using that gigantic loan formula. And again, if you are in one of the other 2 lectures, your loan formula will look different than mine. It's still the same thing. Just use the formula that they show you and just check it to see if it matches what I have as my answer. Now for my students, this is the formula that we've been using for the loan. Alright, so what we're going to have to do is we're just going to have to find all the numbers for each letter, N, R, P, M, and all that stuff. Now what we're actually trying to find is P. This is what we're trying to find. Okay, because I know how much I want to pay per month, that's M. I just want to know then how much could I get for my loan. So I don't know P, but I know everything else. So let's plug all that stuff in. So 0.072, 12, N is 12, 4 years, so 4. The M, monthly payment, 420. 1 plus 72, 12. 12 times 4 minus 1. Nope. Let's try that again. 12 over 0.072. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to plug this into my calculator. So let's pull out the calculator. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, so let's plug all that stuff in. Please follow along. Again, if you are in one of the other lectures, then you're doing something a little different. But in the end, we will have the same answer. Alright, so that's what I get for the left-hand side. Again, I'm not going to round. I'm going to write out all these decimals, because if you round on a problem like this, you might be off by a little bit. So I got P, and then from the calculator, 1.33261002. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug all of that in my calculator. Right, that will be a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and do that. Takes a while. Okay, almost done. Alright then. 23,282 and a bunch of decimals. So I'm going to write those down. Okay, so 2, 3, 2, 8. Now if I want to solve for P, I'm just going to do a little bit of algebra. Divide both sides by this 1.3326 and so on. And so my final answer, and here I'll do this on the calculator. So 23282.7014. Missing 1. Okay. Divided by 1.33261002. Alright, so 17,471.50. So let me write that down. 17,471 $471.50. And that looks like B. So there you go. And if you have any questions, please send an email or stop by my office or ask it in class.